What does it feel like to be a black middle school student? Does the experience change if you're disciplined? Or if your school grows more punitive towards black students over time? This sound represents the black discipline rate. When it's faster, the discipline rate is higher. Here's what the black discipline rate sounds like from the beginning of the year through Thanksgiving break. Each beep you're about to hear represents 20 black students being sent to the principal's office, suspended, or even expelled. By November, the black discipline rate is 10 times higher than what it was at the beginning of the year and 50 times higher than the white discipline rate at the beginning of the year. One can't help but wonder how that growing inequity impacts the extent to which black students feel valued and whether it makes them feel like they don't belong at all.